Rube, back up. I know, you're saying believe. I get you. I understand. Now get back. She's never done this before. But you see the box that says believe. Come on now, back up. Back up. Back up. Sometimes she ends up in weird places. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. More. No, go more. Back up. No, back up more. But if you let them know, like when you're doing this and you teach them, back up more. Back up. A little bit more. A little bit more. Come on. Back up. Because you want them to learn for themselves. And they will. They will learn real quick. Back up a little bit more. Oh, wait, I'll move that for you. Back up a little bit more. Come on. Back up. Back up. There you go. Come on. Come on. No, don't you do that again. And sometimes she will. She'll go right on into where you don't want her to be. And sometimes it's just to get attention. She misses it. She likes her attention. And sometimes I have this turned on and she'll get on there and she'll push on the organs because I'll have to show you guys. This is really kind of cool. She even gets in her bowl. She'll get in her bowl or she'll take a swim in the water bowl too. If you're not listening to her. So they communicate very well. Now, if I turn this on, watch this. She'll step on these things deliberately. I don't know why it's not on. I got the wrong thing plugged in. No, I got the right thing plugged in. Anyway, she'll step on those little... This is an accordion. Oh, that's why, because I didn't have it on. But she'll step on these. Let's see if she'll do it. See? Go ahead, push down. There you go. Alexa, turn it off. See? She'll play on it. Watch. Go ahead, push down on it. Push down on it, Ruru. Well, she'll step on these things and get it. Okay, let's use another one. Go on another one. Push down. Push on this one. She'll push on them. And she'll just stand on it. She likes it. Usually she'll step all over it, you know. She's usually... There you go. Here, I'll move this for you. I'm sorry. Mama not thinking, is she? There you go. She'll use it to get your attention. Come on. Step on it. Step on it. Like you always do. Go ahead. Excuse me, that was rude. Come on, go ahead. Do another one. Go down that way. Hit that other one. Go ahead. Oh, now she knows it. She's a little stubborn today. Go ahead. Push on it. See how she's... Anyway, I was hoping you guys enjoyed that. God bless you. Hope you're having a great, great holiday. It is Christmas 2021.